Craving productivity. We often crave what we don't have. We want to be productive now, right now. Reality is we become productive. It's a process. You might feel unproductive or overwhelmed by emails or work in a day or a moment, but it's likely to be something that's built up over time. Being productive isn't like switching a light on. It's a change that happens over time. So if you aren't feeling productive, how do you become productive? As Albert Einstein once said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. You need to change what you're doing and be patient at the same time. You can't change everything at once, but you can change one thing at a time. Changing one thing has a cumulative impact on the long term. Once you've changed one thing and it becomes part of your habit or process, you can add another change and so on. In his New York Times bestseller, Atomic Habits, author James Clear says it's easier to associate a new habit with a new context than to build a new habit in the face of competing cues. But when you can use your phone to do nearly everything, it becomes hard to associate it with one task. If you want to be more productive, it's easier to create new habits that make change easy rather than simply trying to alter your existing habits. What habits could you alter to increase your productivity? I'd love to hear.